guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super cute, quick little half up, half down style. The unit I'm going to be showing you guys today is by Sensationnel. It is their UD2 unit. So this unit is a half up, half down. So this back part that I'm holding up is your half wig. So you can put it on in like a half up, half down style, or you can use it as a half wig with just very little leave out around the front and just wear it as like a full curly unit. And then the part here is the top half. So this is what you will use if you want to do a half up, half down style. You see you get that wraparound part for the ponytail as well. And it does come with two combs, so you're able to hook it onto your hair. So I'm starting off with my hair here. I just took out my cornrows, so I'm literally about to go ahead and start parting it. And then I am going to use some jam for today's style. So what I'm doing now is just applying the jam along my part just so that I can go ahead and part my hair with my rat tail comb and get it to be as straight as possible. I actually got this unit from Amazon, so I linked it in my Amazon storefront. I will put that link in the description box so you guys can just easily click that one to check out with this unit. It came really fast and they have all the colors on Amazon. I also decided for today's style that I wanted to go ahead and do a zigzag part. Normally I just do straight down the middle, but I was like, let's do a little zigzag. It'll be something cute. So I went ahead and started parting that. And then I did go in and add just a little bit of water to my hair so that I could kind of comb through it and then go ahead and section it off to get ready to make my two little buns. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the back of the head. So for the back, I just decided I was gonna do 4 cornrows. If you guys have thinner hair and you can just put your hair in a little low bun and then put the half wig on top, that works great, super easy, super quick. If you don't and you have thicker hair, 4 braids is good. The unit actually fit perfectly on my head with just only doing 4 cornrows in the back. So what I did was part my hair down the middle, and then I did 2 cornrows on each side. Now for this, I went ahead and combed out my hair first, and then I connected one braid into the other. So this is something that I do pretty much every time I cornrow my hair, whether I'm doing a crochet braid style or just like a half wig like this. So you guys can see when I get a little more than halfway through the cornrow, I go ahead and grab the other braid and just put it in there and then continue to braid all the way down. It doesn't have to go in any specific type of way. Just make sure that it's in there, and then you'll be left with one braid at the very end. So when you get to your last braid, you will grab the braid on the left side, put it in, braid a little bit more, and then you'll grab the braid from the right side, put it in, and braid a little bit more, and then you will be left with one cornrow at the end, which you can either bobby pin, you can sew it, or you can just kind of tuck it up like I'm going to do here. So I'm using my crochet beater that I always use, and I'm just tucking up that last end to another braid, and this just makes sure that it's nice and secure and the end is tucked away. So the back part is completely finished. I went ahead and used some Got2b and my blow dryer just to kind of make it a little bit hard on the top so that I wouldn't have too many flyaways. So basically I just sprayed the Got2b, and then I put my blow dryer on the cool setting, and then just kind of used my hand and then my bristle brush as well to just smooth the hair out and just make sure it looks good for the bun. Now I am using a little additional braiding hair, not too much. I basically just pulled a little bit out of the pack. You guys can see I just put it around my ponytail, and then I'm literally just braiding it in. So I divided my hair in half, and then you have the braiding hair. So that made 3 sections, and I braided it a little bit, and then I parted the braiding hair in half again so that I could have just 2 pieces in the end, and then you guys can see I just twisted it around. So basically I just braided the braiding hair in and then just made it into a 2-strand twist, and this is how I'm going to twist my buns. So I pretty much twisted it all the way down to the end, and then you guys can see here I'm just wrapping it around, and it wrapped really good. It was nice and tight and in place. I probably used maybe 1 or 2 bobby pins just to kind of hold it. So super duper easy. Then of course I went ahead and laid my edges. I used my favorite edge control, which is the Style Factor edge control, and then I went on top with a little bit of Got2b. Now here I'm just kind of showing you guys how you attach the unit, and all I did was put those 2 combs in at the top, put the comb in the back, and then I did put just about 2 extra bobby pins on each side, so 4 bobby pins in total, just to make sure that the unit was nice and snug on my head. It does come with a drawstring, so you can pull that to make it even tighter. And this is going to be the final look, you guys, after I went ahead and tied it down. It came out super duper cute. It was very easy. I loved it. Be sure to let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, turn post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.